Hey guys, welcome back. We're here in the garage once more for part 2 of the swap. Here we have the, of course, the Crystal and the Victor. Now, this was the donor lantern of the globe plate and the filler cap. So the Crystal is now proudly wearing those parts, and it looks wonderful. It looks completely original, as if it came that way. You know, like it wasn't missing anything or had any damaged parts. So this thing had really decent bones, so I thought it was worth it. And it's definitely, you know, the collectability of these things are definitely demanding proper parts. So the replacements that I ordered in haste, of course, I get impatient and I want things right now. We all get that way sometimes in today's age, you know, instant gratification. But anyways, I felt the Dietz globe plate was a good fit. It does fit, works perfectly. It's a universal part. Also, the filler cap from W.T. Kirkman. That's a really high quality solid brass piece. It was like $8 or $9, I think, but it fits right, and it's a little different than the original in comparison, but it fits. It works. It's the right thread count and everything. But I put some oil in it, and it's holding the oil. And I put a new wick in it because, well, let's face it, these things. This thing was found. This wick was found in the bottom of the fount. It's definitely not the right size. And so they must have tried it. At one time they had this wick and thought it would fit and didn't work. And then so they made this thing out of bed sheets. And anyways, you never can tell what you're going to find when you start doing these projects. Anyways, so they're both oiled up, and let's give it a shot here. Let's get these both burning here. For the first time, well, first time for in a while, properly for this one. All right. There we go. All right, gentlemen, lower your globes. There we go. Cool. There we are. This one I'm going to probably distress the globe plate and wire guards a little bit. I'm going to probably paint them up so they look dark and original. Give them some age. And then the brass cap, I haven't decided. I might do the same thing. But in time that will oxidize and darken itself. So I probably will leave it. Anyways, and I like it. It's got a good character to it, and if I can plug up these little holes in the air tubes, I don't see why not. You know, make a good outdoor lantern on the porch for porch light. That's what I usually do. Or camping, you know, next time we go camping, I'll take this one instead of one of the other Victors that are in far better condition. Less risk, you know. Get something that's already kind of dinged up, so you less worry of dinging up a nice one. So, well, of course, this is not going on a camp out. It's going to stay here in the house or the garage, whatever. You know, home use. It's a good piece. It's they're rare and expensive, and you can't replace those glass founts. So, we all know this. It's all good. So, mission accomplished. Awesome. I love it. It's a happy piece. Now I can just consider this one finished for now. I'm not going to go, you know, whole hog and restore it as I did that last Victor. But that's okay. I like it for right now, the way it is, and you know, it's good. Anyways, everybody, have a great weekend. Hope you guys have plans for Saturday night, even though it's a little wet outside. It's been raining on and off. It's still lovely. Or just binge watch something on Netflix or whatever. So whatever you guys choose, go for it. Take care and God bless. Bye.